When you're managing hundreds or thousands of URLs for indexing, the traditional copy-paste submit workflow becomes a nightmare. SEO professionals know this pain intimately. You discover a batch of new backlinks that need indexing, or you've just launched 50 new product pages, or you're auditing a client's site and found dozens of orphaned URLs that Google hasn't crawled. The manual process is brutal. Open each URL, validate it, actually works, check if it's already indexed, then submit it through your indexing tool, one by one, hour after hour. Browser-based workflow optimization has become essential because this manual approach doesn't scale. When you're dealing with bulk URL processing, every extra click multiplies into hours of wasted time. URL validation techniques that happen one by one mean you're constantly switching between tabs, losing context, and introducing human error. Without efficient batch processing methods, even the best indexing tool becomes a bottleneck rather than a solution. This challenge hits hardest for SEO consultants managing multiple client campaigns and in-house SEOs handling large-scale websites. Picture an SEO consultant who just received a report showing 200 new backlinks from a recent outreach campaign. Each URL needs verification and indexing submission, but the manual workflow means an entire day spent on what should be a 15-minute task. In-house SEOs face similar friction when launching new site sections or conducting comprehensive audits. They're constantly asking themselves how to index backlinks efficiently, searching for the best indexing tool that won't turn bulk submissions into a time sink. These professionals need solutions that integrate directly into their existing browser-based workflows rather than forcing them to learn entirely new platforms. The need for streamlined URL indexing emerges in several critical scenarios. Content migration projects generate hundreds of redirect chains that need immediate indexing attention. When you're moving a blog from one domain to another, every old URL that now redirects needs to be resubmitted so Google discovers the new structure quickly. Backlink acquisition campaigns create another major trigger. You've just secured guest posts on 20 different websites, each with multiple internal links pointing to your target pages. Those backlinks won't help your rankings until Google discovers and indexes them. The best backlink indexer needs to handle these batches without forcing you to submit each URL individually. Site audit remediation represents a third common scenario. You've identified orphaned pages that haven't been crawled in months, or new pages that never got properly submitted to search engines. Technical SEO fixes often generate lists of URLs that need immediate indexing attention. Emergency situations, like recovering from algorithm penalties or launching time-sensitive campaigns, demand rapid bulk indexing capabilities that traditional workflows simply can't support. Indexceptional solves this through their Chrome extension approach to bulk URL indexing, fundamentally changing how SEO professionals handle batch processing. Instead of copying URLs between different tools and browser tabs, the Chrome extension integrates directly into your existing workflow. You can scan URLs directly from the pages you're already viewing, validate them in real time, and filter out duplicates or already indexed pages before submission. The extension's URL scanning capability means you can identify indexable URLs from any web page without manual selection. When you're auditing a client site or reviewing a new backlink profile, the tool automatically detects relevant URLs and prepares them for batch processing. The validation system checks each URL's status before submission, preventing wasted credits on broken links or pages that are already properly indexed. Indexceptional's filtering features eliminate the manual cleanup that usually happens before bulk submissions. The extension can identify which URLs are already in Google's index, which ones return errors, and which ones are actually new and need submission. This automated validation means you're only submitting URLs that genuinely need indexing attention. The direct submission capability connects seamlessly to Indexceptional's 4-stage pipeline: queued, submitted, delivered, and bot visited. From within your browser, You can push validated URL batches directly into this processing system. The extension maintains per URL history tracking, so you can see exactly what happened to each submission, rather than getting vague order-level summaries. For SEO consultants, this approach transforms client reporting and workflow efficiency. That 200 backlink audit that used to consume an entire day now takes minutes. The Chrome extension scans the backlink report, validates each URL, filters out any that are already indexed, and submits the remainder in a single batch operation. The consultant can then focus on strategy and analysis instead of manual data entry. In-house SEO teams benefit from integrated workflow optimization that doesn't disrupt their existing processes. When launching new content, they can validate and submit URLs without leaving their content management interface. Site audits become more thorough because bulk URL processing is no longer a bottleneck that forces shortcuts. The practical impact extends beyond time savings into improved indexing coverage and faster search visibility. With streamlined submission processes, SEO professionals actually submit more URLs for indexing because the friction has been removed. Better indexing coverage leads to stronger organic search performance and more comprehensive search engine visibility. Visit www.indexceptional.com to see how their Chrome extension transforms bulk URL indexing from a manual chore into an integrated part of your SEO workflow.